Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with Mr. Coder, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve two-screen question A from Educational Codeforces Round 170 rated for Division 2. So there are two screens which can display sequences of uppercase letters, and initially both screens display nothing. In one screen you can do one of the following. You can choose a screen and an uppercase letter and append that letter to the end of the sequence displayed on the screen. You could also choose a screen and copy the sequence from it to the other screen, overwriting the sequence that was displayed on the other screen. And you have to calculate the minimum number of seconds you have to spend so that the first screen displays the sequence S and the second screen displays the sequence T. So for example, for this first test case, garage and garage for sale, you can first write down garage on the first screen. Then you can copy it over garage to the next screen, and then you can write for sale. So that'll be 6 plus 1 for moving it, and then plus this remaining 7. For this next one, there's two ways you can achieve the minimum. One way is you can just keep on manually doing A, B, C, D, E, and then A, B, C, D. Or you could write down A here, copy it over to this screen, and then write the rest, and they'll both lead to 10. And this one, it'll have to be 16, which is the sum of the length. And if we notice something, it's that we're looking for at the beginning, how long is the common substring? Since we can't insert anything anywhere, so we can only append to the back, so we need to find how long is the earliest, when do they first differ? So like for example, this garage, garage, and then like here's a like this has A and A. This doesn't have anything. That's why you just print out the side. So for my solution, so first I made sure that S is the smaller one, so I'd have less calculations to do with like minimum. Like for example, for this garage case, I don't want it to be checking out of bounds on the shorter string if it's like all same like garage. So I swapped them, and then I kept track of the length of the longest of the sequence until it first differs the two strings. I kept track of that, and then I just checked. I just did this. I could also have used the made int global. That would have worked, and then I set the current minimum to be the sum of the sides, and that could also be changed to the length of the longest starting string. So that would be garage, since you only need to do that. And then you do +1 for copying it over. And then you have to get the current size of each string minus the length of the common area. You have to add both of those, and that's basically how you do it. So if you just so it's basically just see which one's the minimum. For example, like this case. Well, I mean, this case, there's no use copying it, because then you need to make sure that you have this as a minimum to start, because then otherwise it'll think of it as 0 length to start and 0 length, and then it'll think to copy the 0 length over for 1, and then it'll get this one at 17. So that's why you need to get both cases done. So yeah, that's how you solve two screens. Question A from Educational Codeforces Round 170, rated for Division 2. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.